Well, I've changed the risers again, and this time I'm pretty satisfied with the setup. I dropped the Harley extended risers and I put on a set of A1 Cycles risers. They raise it up 2 inches like the Harleys did, but they also pull it back an extra inch. That extra inch makes a big deal. Has me sitting up, straight up and down, and the sit up and beg kind of posture, which is good for long distance riding, and it also gives me a really good view of the screen. I can see the whole thing now. Okay, this is a good example of the 3 different screen setups. When I had the stock risers on, this is how it looked. You can see the entire screen, no problems at all, just like you'd expect from any stock motorcycle. Now, when I put the 2-inch risers on, the view switched to this. Completely blocked the fuel level and completely blocked the lower left where the clock was. With the A1 risers, this is how it's set. It slightly blocks the clock, and on the right you can see the whole fuel level. And actually, if you tilt your head slightly to the right, you can see the clock. I'm 5'8". If you're just an inch or two taller, you'd see the whole clock, no problem at all. Well, that's it for now. My wife keeps reminding me I forget to say this, so if you like these videos, like, subscribe, and share them. And that's it for now. Be safe out there, and I might see you on the road.